Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join a Roblox group. So right here, this is my home page. You love the game so much and you just want to join the group. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So it has actually been changed from group to being called communities. So I know you have gone around to look for groups. You're not going to see that. You're going to see community. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first step you have to take is click on the more icon right here below your screen, and you can see community right here. So you just click on that, right? And it's going to take a while, just a few seconds to load up. Yeah, so these are the communities I've joined. And you can just see the search right here. This is when you have a lot of communities and you want to search for it. So, and you can also create one right here. You can see the create community. So what you're doing, you're actually searching to join a community. So you see all right here, click on it, and right, you can see them, a lot of them. So you just have to click on anyone to join the group. So you can see right here, join group, join community, sorry. So you just click on that and you have been successfully added to the community. So it's very simple, pretty simple. And if you have a game and you just want to instantly just join, so let's use one of the games right here. So just use Plants versus Brain Rots. Right, click on it and scroll down and see developer right here. Though I've joined the group already, so it's supposed to be like leave the community, and right, you see it right here, join. So you just have to click on it and tell her you'll be added immediately. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.